Welcome to today's Nigeria Power Sector broadcast. My name is Comrade Prince Will Okori. Last week, I did inform our listeners and viewers to the fact that Nigerian Electricity Management Services Agency is responsible, going by the Act of 2016. The agency called NEMSA is responsible for certification of qualified personnel who are expected to carry out electrical installation in buildings. And these electrical personnel are also those responsible for administering Form 74, which is required before a meter will be fixed in a building and the building be connected to the grid. Today, we want to look at why is it necessary that a licensed electrical personnel should be able to handle Form 74 and sign Part 2 of the form before a building will be metered or connected to the grid. The reason is this. We see a situation where there is fire outbreak in markets, fire outbreak in buildings. All these sometimes are caused by fake materials that are used for electrical installations. They are also caused by use of quack personnel who are not qualified to carry out electrical installations. So, using the people that are not certified is a risk to the consumer or the property owner who goes to believe that if he brings people that are not qualified and certified to do his job, he pays less. It's also a risk to use materials that are not of standard to carry out electrical installations. Again, there is an organization called Licensed Electrical Contractors Association of Nigeria. That association comprises of certified electrical engineers that have been certified by NEMSA to carry out electrical installations in buildings. Ladies and gentlemen, I do believe that it would be nice to go through this association and their members when you want your building to be installed with electrical installations, so that you will be sure that you are dealing with the right personnel that will do the job, so that you will be sure that the right materials can be used to carry out installations for you. Unfortunately, people go to quacks, and the next thing is the bills they are given are less. They get lower bills, they use materials of lower standard to carry out the installations, and the implication is that when fire outbreak takes place, the properties are burnt, human lives sometimes are lost. So to reduce this, there is need to really look at issues of quality and standards because of the safety implication. Again, why is it that when there is a wind, when rain is falling or before rain falls, once there is wind blows, our networks will go off, electricity will go off? We need to also ask, why is it happening? This is also as a result of weak and fake materials that are used for installations. Because if these things that are used for installation in the network are strong enough, they will be able to resist the wind and the light will not go off. So there is need to really look at quality materials for use in electrifying our buildings. This is the first segment of the discussion today. Thank you for listening. We'll come back to you for the second segment.